guys, welcome back to my channel. Alright, quick one. So we are using 3/4 of 28 inches in length of Appliqué material to make this Zara cap. So I've gone ahead to join it as usual, and this is the outcome, what it looks like after joining it. So you go ahead and turn it to the back side, because this is how we're going to be doing this Zara cap. You turn it to the back and then you get your marco. So this is your marco. You find your marco with any shoe cobbler or shoemaker of your choice. They are the ones that sell it, and I know that some fascinator sellers also sell it. Now you're going to be placing your marco in the middle. Just use your eyes and gauge it, or if you want, you can notch it and find the middle point where you place it. Once you get it, you're going to properly fold, just like I'm doing. Fold it down. Next, you'll be running your stitch, just like I'm pointing out. You run your stitch that way. Now I've gone ahead to run my stitch, and this is the outcome. This is what it looks like after running my stitch. So what you're going to do now is to turn it to the right side. This is the right side, and then close it inwardly. Let the right side be facing each other, and then you now have the wrong side facing you. So now what next you're going to do, so because we're not going to be putting any elastic in this one, what we're going to be doing is to run your stitch at the exact head measurement of your client. My client's head measurement is 23, dividing it by 2 is 11.5. The next thing we're going to be doing is to cut off the excess. Like, we're going to be cutting it off in form of an arc at the edge here, just like I'm doing. So I'm cutting it off, and I'm going to be using my needle and thread to form a gathers in the form of what I cut off. If you've gotten to this point of this video and you already like what you're seeing, why don't you give me a thumbs up by liking this video? And for those of us who have not subscribed, come on, tap on that subscribe button right now and join the family. You're welcome. Thank you so much. Then to my subscribers, I want to say a very big thank you. I love what you guys are doing. Now, if you have any question at all concerning anything, don't hesitate to drop your comment and ask me the question. I will be here to answer you. Trust me. I get a lot of questions about my background music. No, they are not copyright music. I have a compilation of these songs, and then I'll drop the link for you in my description box. Once you're done, the next thing you're going to do is to drag your needle and thread. Drag it like your life depends on it. I'm more, please don't mind me. So just drag it tightly, and then find a way to secure it. Secure it so that it won't lose. You don't want to have a fascinator that you give to a client and then they're complaining that your fascinator is losing, it's not secured, it's not tight. So just secure it properly as much as you can. Once you're done securing your needle and thread, the next thing you're going to do is to turn it inside out. So you're going to turn your cap inside out. For some people with OCD, I know you can't get your eyes off my nails. Yes. So yeah, you don't catch me. Yes. I don't want to say I am having a bad nail day. You don't catch me. Thank you. Don't worry. I'll do something about it. But wait, to you that is even judging me, let us see your own. Let's see your own. Show me. Another person with OCD will now be looking at that thread sticking out from that side. Why don't she cut it off now? Why would she cut it off? I don't cut them off. See it, I don't cut them off. All right, so once you're done, this is what it looks like after you turn it inside out. All right, for the back, we're going to be using 3 different materials of 20 lengths in each. So I'm going to be using one crinoline, the same fabric of Appliqué, and a different type of white Appliqué. Now we're going to be forming a kind of a bow tie. I have a video where I've done this before, but all the same, let's just watch. So I'll bring one of the fabrics, put them together, find the middle point. With my needle and thread, I'm going to be forming a gathers. It'll be nice if you check out that video, because in that particular video, what I did with this kind of bow tie that I formed was to make a beautiful bow pleated Appliqué headband. It was in form of a headband, I'll leave a link sorry, I'll leave a link in my description box. And then if you check on the right hand corner, on top of the right hand corner side of this video, you will see a link, a direct link that will send you to that video. I think you should watch it. I really love the way that video was so detailed and the work came out so beautiful. Maybe once you're done with this video, you can go back and watch that one, or watch it and then come back and watch this one. You thank me later. So once you're done forming your gathers, make sure and ensure that you secure your bow tie. So what I did to this particular bow tie, I'm going to be repeating it to the one with the crinoline and also the other one that has a different kind of ashoke. So this is what they all look like. Now after that, what I'm going to do is to be picking them one by one and arranging them the way I want to arrange them. So I'm going to be doing this also with my needle and thread. So you can arrange your own in any format you want or anyhow you want. But for me, this is the way I want to arrange it. I don't want to arrange all of them on top of each other. I just want to arrange it in such a way that each one or each design can be seen in its own way and in its own glory. So I'm giving all of them like a space for them to shine. That's how I'm placing mine, just like this. So once you're done, you also secure with your needle and thread. I'm always emphasizing on this because I know what unsecured fascinator or headgear can do to you as a vendor. So always secure. Don't forget to secure. Anytime you're working with needle and thread, secure it. Secure it at least 2 or 3 times. In fact, 5 times to be safe. So this is the outcome. You see, each and every one of them are shining in their own glory. Now I have this applique of mine. I'm going to be using this applique to beautify this beautiful thing that I just made. I don't even have a name for it. So to do that, I'm going to be working with my hot glue. Put your glue on it and then put it down there. Wow. So this is the outcome. This is beautiful. Next, we are going to be attaching the design we did at the back to the Zara cap. We're going to be using our hot glue. Put a generous amount of hot glue at the back and then we'll place the design we just made and glue it down. So give it a good hard press for about 15 to 20 seconds. Let it dry and then that's how you make your Zara cap. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like my video and subscribe. See you next time. Bye bye.
Yeah, yeah. Whoa, whoa.